This program is supposed to read a student marks in 5 tests and then print his class. In order to pass or get any class, the candidate should get a minimum of 35 in every test. And then, if the average is greater than 60, he will be classified as first class. Greater than 50, second class. Greater than equal to 35, third class. Otherwise, fail. That is, in order to say a candidate is passed, first he has to get 35 in every test. And then only the concept of first class or second class or third class comes into picture. Thus, in this program, we have declared some variables to store a student marks in 5 tests. And then we have declared some variable to calculate the sum. So, our first if condition tests whether the student has got minimum 35 in every test or not. If he has got minimum 35 in every test, that is first if condition is true, then the statements inside that one will be executed. Otherwise, he will be outrightly classified as fail. If he is passed, then we calculate the sum in the program. If that sum is greater than or equal to 300, it's as good as greater than or equal to average is greater than or equal to 60. Then we classify him as first class. Otherwise, if the sum is greater than or equal to 250, then we classify him as second class. Otherwise, he will be classified as third class. This is the entire theme behind this program. Let us consider the students' marks are 70, 80, 90, 82 and 87. Now, the first condition is evaluated, if condition is evaluated. Is the student has got minimum 35 in every test? Yes. Thus, the if condition is true. Thus, the program execution goes to the if block. Thus, sum will be calculated. That is 70 plus 80 plus 90 plus 82 plus 87. That sum becomes 409. Yes. Is it greater than or equal to 300? Yes. Thus, he will be classified as first class and then program ends. Now let us consider the student marks are 23, 90, 78, 88 and 28. This is the input entered by a user. Now what about the first if condition? Will it be true? No. So the candidate has got less than 35 in 2 tests. Thus the condition becomes false. Thus the program prints the message failed and then the program ends. Let us consider this time the user has entered 55, 45, then 55, 59 and 56. When the first if condition is evaluated, that will be true because the candidate has got a minimum of 35 in every test. Thus, the program execution goes to the if block. Here, the sum is calculated. The sum becomes 270. Yes. Is it greater than or equal to 300? No. Yes. Is it greater than or equal to 250? Yes. Thus, the program prints the message second class and then program terminates. Now let us consider this time the student marks as entered as 40, 40, 45, 38 and 43. Did he get a minimum of 35 in every test? Yes. So the first condition will be true. So the sum will be calculated. Sum will become 206. 206 is greater than equal to 300? No. Greater than equal to 250? No. Thus he will be printed as third class, and then program ends.